my name is Ruby.
And I'm Jonathan.
And this is our very awesome interior designer, Angie from the Interior Lab.
So the design expectations for the house were that we wanted more natural elements in our home. We like dark, warm colors to make the home feel cozier and more personal. So our lifestyle considerations is that we are working professionals and we wanted to come home to something that felt natural and comfortable.
We also wanted somewhere where we can host our family and friends, and this is one of the reasons why we integrated the balcony area into the living room, so when we have more guests, it can spill over. And also, I use the balcony area as an area for myself to meditate and do yoga on a daily basis.
We first stumbled on the Interior Lab on Qanvast, and one of our friends also recommended the Interior Lab to us.
Yeah, we initially didn't see any samples that we wanted from Interior Lab, but when we met Angie, we felt that she knew what we were going for and were proposing some ideas that were really aligned with what we envisioned, and we decided to go ahead with her. The renovation process was relatively smooth, and Angie was also very timely in updating us and assuring us at every step of the process.
So Angie was also really flexible. She also threw in some certain ideas during the renovation process. So we sought her opinion in recommending the furnishings, and she really contributed to the home styling that we wanted.
Electrician, he was very flexible with us, and he was really useful throughout the process in making sure that we know where to place our electrical plugs and outlets. I think these are the things that as first-time owners we are really clueless about, and he really walked us through the process and make sure we have them all placed in the right places. The renovation definitely met our expectations in terms of design, workmanship and service, and Angie really walked us through things in detail such as the internal wardrobe configurations and even picking the tiles.
Yeah, so we had 7 different types of tiles, and thankfully we had Angie to help us make sure that the tiles were matched to the kind of home styling that we actually wanted. The favorite part of the house for me is the living room. I really like my living room because after coming home, it's a wonderful area to sit down and just unwind and relax.
For me, it's definitely the kitchen actually, because I love the color scheme. I love the grain of the wood. It looks very much like the bark of the tree, and every time I walk past the kitchen, it's just inviting me to cook all the time.
And
you know, to make sure that we get the right color tone.
Yes, and she will always be at the site and giving us video updates, so that we feel that we are included in the process.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend the Interior Lab to our friends and family because we felt that the whole process was actually very professional right from the beginning.
The workmanship, how everything came together, it was very aligned with what we envisioned. And we're really, really very happy to be able to move into this house.
We really like to thank the Interior Lab as well as Angie, for making our renovation dream come true. And thank you so much, Angie!